What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Man, it feels good to be back on the Surron. I've been kind of reviewing the Talaria XXX in the last few weeks, so I haven't really had the chance to ride my Surron, and man, what a difference. I love this machine right here. What a great bike, and so different in so many aspects. Of course mine is, you know, like heavily modded or whatever, but man, everything is different, from literally like the size of my grips to everything. The body on here feels so much bigger. Even though it's still a small bike, it just feels so much more massive than the Talaria. The Talaria is so tiny, so thin, you know what I mean? And the suspension, oh my god, so much nicer on this Surron. Even though this is just like the stock KKE forks, they feel so plush compared to that Talaria stock fork. The Talaria XXX factory fork is not like the MX3 or the MX4. The MX3 and the MX4 get a much better factory fork that's probably even better than this KKE I'm rocking here. But the XXX Talaria factory fork, it's okay, but it's like, you know, so not compared to this. This is just a KKE fork, and it feels so much more plush. There's so much, it's so much nicer, so smooth. And obviously, you know, my Surron here is modded. I'll stop and show you right here. Obviously it's gonna have a lot more grip. The Talaria XXX has the whole 17 in the rear, 19 in the front. I have the 16 in the rear, 19 in the front, and man, this Bridgestone is a beast. This is a Bridgestone M204. Amazing tire. I really like it. And just the way my area is, I don't have a pickup truck, so I do have to kind of take some streets in order to get to the trails, which I know is not like the ultimate riding your knobbies on pavement, but it is what it is. So far it's been holding up really well. I really like it, so I'm really happy that I ordered the same type of tires for my Talaria. Definitely have that video coming up soon. But yeah, I'm super stoked to be back on the Surron. This thing feels like a Cadillac compared to that XXX. And yeah, we're gonna go hit the trail where I did my XXX hill climb not too long ago, and we'll see how this compares. I mean, obviously this is gonna be a lot more traction, but we'll see how it does up there. And I'm gonna meet up with my homie with his Talaria MX3, and we're gonna try to catch a glimpse of the Pacific Ocean. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys on the trail. All right, let's go. So last time I was here doing the Talaria test where the Talaria died on me, man, what a difference in suspension. Even though this is just a regular KKE fork, I feel so much more confident. And yeah, by the way, that whole situation with the Talaria ended up being just the brake sensors kind of messed me up. But yeah, so much better with this, a lot more confidence. The only thing that is a little bit not fully tweaked is my rear shock on this Surron. I've never really messed with it, where I'm sure this would be such a better ride if I do. Oh yeah, so much more fun with my Surron over here. I can go a lot faster. And this Bridgestone is crazy. That's why I ordered the same tires for my the XXX. This is the section where my Talaria died on me. It died on me right here. The only thing about those brake sensors is if you disconnect them, then you're gonna lose your rear brake light, which I kind of like to have, you know. Here we are starting this crazy elevation. The GoPro never does the elevation change justice. It never shows steepness as much as it is in real life, but believe me, this is steep. Look at this section, guys. I just passed here last two weeks ago for our climb, and this was all torn up because of the rain. They just went right here with a bobcat and fixed everything. That's amazing. Imagine driving up here with a bobcat, a little mini bobcat. It's probably so much fun and so sketchy at the same time. You know what I mean? But look at this. They made this trail wide, brand new. Oh my God. So different. Literally, if you guys are new to the channel, go check out my video that's called the Talaria MX3 climb test. We passed over here and it was not like this. Here we are at the end. Man, they redid everything. That's amazing. Over here at our beautiful view. GoPro always never really picks that up as well, but look at this thing. Beautiful. All right, this is our intersection. Cutting left over here will get us towards the beach. All right, look at this. One of our first stops right here, Hub Junction. We are here, and this thing splits out to all kinds of different directions. You can get to a bunch of different places in LA from here. What's up, man? Pretty good. But we're gonna continue over there and catch the ocean. Hopefully there's not a lot of smog so we can see the ocean and catch you guys there. I love this bike so much. As soon as I get some fresh new front tires on here, it's really gonna be nice. But we are here at the spot. Make a right over here and it kind of dead ends and you get to see the ocean. Ooh, it's full of clouds. Look at this, guys. The sun just about to set. There's literally like a sliver of it left. I'm not even sure if the GoPro will pick it up. It's so nice and peaceful up here. And right there is the Pacific Ocean. Unfortunately, there's clouds, but look at this place. Absolute bliss. And there she goes. Wow. Amazing. Meep. All right, that was beautiful. We're gonna try to continue on to see if we can get a glimpse of downtown LA for you guys. It's windy up here. Some heavy wind gusts right now. And it's starting to get a little chilly. I need to turn on my KO app and see where my battery's at. I mean, I left at 100%, so it shouldn't be a problem, but I'm gonna get stuck up here. Hopefully we're not doing all this for nothing and we get some visibility. Only one way to find out. Oh, I see it already. There's not the best visibility, but we're getting there. Yeah, it's over there. It's not the best visibility. I don't even know if the GoPro will pick it up, and it's starting to get a little bit cold. So we're gonna head back. Alright guys, well this was super fun. We're gonna start heading back because it's getting a little dark and kind of cold. And we didn't really see downtown, which is what we came here for. So it is what it is, but yeah, I want to turn my light on, but he's kind of putting dust everywhere, so I'm not sure light is not helping me. Gonna keep it with no light for right now. But if you guys like this type of content, definitely make sure to help your boy out by leaving a like, comment, and subscribing to the channel if you want to see more of this content. As always guys, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Ooh.
easy.
Man,